A wonderful day to you, dear learners. Get ready for an exciting adventure of discovery as we dive into the MAPEH Major Lead Review 10-item practice test, set 5A. Your safety is our utmost priority, so please remember to take all necessary precautions while engaging with this video. May you feel supported, protected, and motivated on your journey toward knowledge and growth. Join me here on the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel for an inspiring experience as we uncover fresh ideas, hone our skills, and embrace the joy of learning together.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5. Goal setting is a mechanism that helps one to understand his/her potential and to feel satisfied with its results. Thus, in goal setting to enhance personal fitness, the first step is to assess current level of A. Motivation, B. Fitness, C. Readiness, D. Current level of understanding. What will happen to muscles when exposed to more stress such as resistance training? A. Muscles get weaker and increase in size. B. Muscles get weaker and decrease in size. C. Muscles get stronger and increase in size. D. Muscles get stronger and decrease in size. Which among the functions of the skeletal system is responsible for improved performance? A. Skeleton provides framework and shape to the body. B. Skeleton protects the internal organs of the body. C. Bone marrow produces red blood cells and platelets. D. Skeleton acts as lever. How do muscles work to produce movement? A. Pair of muscles acts in opposite directions. B. Pair of muscles acts towards the same direction. C. Pair of muscles pulls each other. D. Pair of muscles pushes each other. In sepak takraw, which muscle group is responsible when hitting the ball using the thigh? A. Hamstrings. B. Triceps. C. Quadriceps. D. Gluteus maximus. Which of the following statements does not describe the end benefit of physical activity? A. Reduced risk of heart attack and blood pressure. B. Good sense of body image. C. Good chance of winning in a sport competition. D. Meeting new friends. Goal setting is a mechanism that helps one to understand his/her potential and to feel satisfied with its results. Thus, in goal setting to enhance personal fitness, the first step is to assess current level of A. Motivation. B. Fitness. C. Readiness to affect change. D. Current level of understanding about fitness. If you want to determine your fitness program parameters, which should you do first? A. Get a physical examination to identify any physical limitations. B. Construct your fitness plan. C. Commit yourself to your fitness plan. D. Figure out how much time you can have for workouts. If you want to have a personalized fitness training program, which should you do first? A. Determine your fitness program parameters. B. Select specific physical activities for your fitness program. C. Record your fitness training plan. D. Evaluate your faithfulness to your fitness program. How much time should you devote to workouts? A. Depends on your fitness goals and current level of physical fitness. B. About 150 minutes total of physical activity per week. C. About 200 minutes total of physical activity per week. D. Depends on your age. Please compare your selected answers with the answers listed in the answer key provided. If your chosen answer matches the one in the answer key, mark it as correct. After reviewing all the questions and answers, calculate your final score based on the number of correct answers. Point 3. How did you score? Did you achieve a high score? If so, congratulations on a job well done. If not, don't worry. You can review this video to further enhance your understanding of the topic. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel. If you learned something from this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends so they can also learn about this topic. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, feel free to leave a message in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I hope to see you again in my next blog, and God bless you always.